Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Laura. I upload videos about once a week or once every other week about mostly beauty and sometimes fashion, lifestyle, that sort of thing. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram at Loria1 and I upload a lot of lifestyle photography, travel photos, food pictures, all that good stuff. So please follow me there as well. Today I'm going to be talking about some products that I received for free through the app INFLUENSTER. They're both Neutrogena products, so if you want to see my review of the products, first impressions, all that good stuff, then please keep on watching. For those of you who don't know or haven't heard of the app INFLUENSTER, I have another video where I talk about another product that I received from that app, but basically it is It's an app where you review products and look at reviews of products that you're thinking of buying. So that's like sort of the primary function of the app, just reading reviews about products, whether it's makeup products or baby food or pet food, like everything pretty much. Then to sort of entice people to use the app more, they have surveys where you can review products, or they ask you specific questions about products, very market research type questions. And if you fit the demographic that the brands that partner with the app are looking for, then those brands will send you through the app free products to try out, and then you review them, and then your social score on the app increases, and then you're more likely to receive more products because it shows that you have a bit of a following. Hope that makes sense. I've been using the app for not even a year now. I've received a few free products, and I received one in the mail. I received actually two in the mail the other day. So today I'm going to be talking about two products that I received from Neutrogena, and they are this Deep Clean Purifying Clay Mask Cleanser. So it's like a cleanser and a mask in one. The other one that I received is this Hydro Boost face mask. I guess like bit of a disclaimer because I'm going to be super honest here. So I don't really use cleansers all that often, mostly because I have sensitive skin. I have eczema across my cheeks. So I find a lot of cleansers are pretty harsh and just irritate my skin and make me break out into eczema patches. So I generally just wash my face with soap and water after using my makeup remover to take off my makeup. So hopefully this is good for sensitive skin. I really hope it is. But it's pretty cool that you can use it as a cleanser as well as a mask. So I think that's pretty awesome. And then this, what do they call it? 100% hydrogel mask with hyaluronic acid. It's from their, what do they call it? The Hydro Boost line. This one I'm actually super excited to use. I really want to try out their Hydro Boost moisturizer. So I feel like this will sort of give me a taste of whether I'll like the moisturizer. So I'm really excited for this. So that's pretty much my very long-winded intro to this video. And now I'm going to take off my makeup and start using these products. So now I'm going to start with the cleanser. Wet face, squeeze onto hands, and gently massage all over the face, avoiding the eye area, rinse thoroughly, and pat dry. It smells kind of minty. Oh, yeah, kind of looks like toothpaste. I'm gonna just wet my face. Even though I literally just dried it. Gently massage all over the face. Okay. It sort of smells earthy in the way that natural products smell. Kind of like if you go into one of those all-natural stores. It sort of smells like something that would fit there. Not a bad thing, just an observation. Feels very cooling on the face, so I really like this. I think I might try it out as a mask another time. Definitely does not feel drying at all. Even though like it is drying down, it doesn't feel irritating on my skin. It definitely gets tingling, like in a way that like a mint kind of would feel. But it feels nice, smells nice. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, so first impressions so far, freshly washed or cleansed. Feels very cooling, very light. So far my skin doesn't seem irritated, so that's a good sign. My cheeks do look a little bit red, so that's concerning. But otherwise, I mean, my face feels very cool. Very refreshed, doesn't feel dry. So now I'm going to use a face mask. So it says gentle on skin, contains hyaluronic acid, non-comedogenic, I don't know what that means. This innovative hydrogel mask with hyaluronic acid instantly quenches dry skin, leaving it hydrated, smooth, and supple. This mask was made from a unique 100% hydrogel material that contours to your skin and seals in the formula for optimal absorption to deliver clinically proven results. So I've never actually used a face mask before, so I'm just going to follow the instructions on the back. So number 1, cleanse your face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleanser. Close enough. Peel back white film backing from the mask sheet and discard. Place the hydrogel down on face and leave for 15 minutes. Remove the mask, massage remaining product onto face and neck. Okay, so I guess you don't wash it off, you just massage it into your skin when you're done. So I'm gonna cut this open. Ooh, it smells very clean. So I'm just gonna take this out. So peel it off of the white film backing. Okay, I think I just slid it out of the backing. Okay, I might have screwed this up because it just sort of slipped out. Oh, they don't say how to get this out of here though. That's like my one complaint so far, is I'm having a bit of a struggle getting it out of the package. Okay. Oh, it's like jelly. Okay. Okay, I see. So it's like a 2-part mask. Okay. Probably not great to do with makeup on. I think this is the right side. The side that's touching my face feels gummy, and then the side that's not touching my skin is like ridged. So I think I'm doing this right. So it does stick to your face. They were right about sticking to like the contours of your face. Probably next time would not do with makeup on. I can't really move my face too much. It's been about 15 minutes, maybe just over 15 minutes, maybe closer to 20. But it's getting late, so I'm going to take off the mask, sort of rub whatever's left into my skin, and then give final thoughts. So I will be right back. There wasn't really actually that much product remaining for me to rub into my skin, so I think my skin just like drank everything from this mask. My skin looks super dewy, super healthy, super moisturized. I really wish they included more of these masks in my VoxBox because I loved the mask. The cleanser I liked. It was fine. I just personally don't really use cleansers very much, but I'm excited to try it out as a mask. I'm curious to see the difference that it makes. But again, face mask, A++. I really like this. I definitely see myself buying this again because it just makes my skin feel so rejuvenated and so moisturized and healthy. So I really, really like it. I'm really curious also to try out the moisturizer, like the Hydro Boost. I know they make one for like dry skin and then for like very, very dry skin. It's sort of, I think, like a gel consistency. So I'm curious to try those out as well. But I'm kind of getting off topic. So final thoughts specifically on each product. So the Deep Clean Purifying Cleanser, you know, I liked it. It smelled nice. It felt nice. I'd have to try it out a few more times to see how it reacts on my skin because sometimes my skin will be fine for the first 1 or 2 washes and then by like the 3rd or 4th it starts to get irritated. I actually say that you are supposed to use this like a certain number of times per week. I'll just read out like kind of what it says. So it's oil-free, non-comedogenic, I forget what that means. The purifying clay formula is specifically designed to target all skin impurities. Interesting. It draws out trapped dirt, oil, and makeup while it helps preserve skin's essential moisture. This 2-in-1 formula can be used 2 ways, as a daily cleanser or as a mask for deep cleansing. Okay, so you are supposed to use this daily. I would probably use this as a cleanser like every other day or like 3 times a week, something like that. That's just because my skin gets very irritated. So directions to use as a cleanser: wet face, squeeze into hands and gently massage all over the face, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. To use as a mask, squeeze into hands, smooth an even layer over skin, avoiding the eye area. Allow to dry up to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Do not exceed 2 to 3 times per week. Okay. So I think I might try this out and maybe I'll make a separate video if I decide to use this as a mask and give my impressions. As a cleanser, it was good. I mean, like, I haven't really found a cleanser that I hate. So like, you know, it seemed to do the job. It felt nice, felt soothing. So yeah, I would definitely use this. Like, I mean, I'm going to use this up. I liked it. And then the winner, the Hydro Boost mask. I probably, if it wasn't so late, I'd probably actually leave this on for another like 10 minutes or so. But when I took it off, there wasn't actually a whole lot of residue, as I said. But yeah, I really like this and I definitely would buy this one again. The cleanser, I'm not sure, just because, again, I don't really use cleansers that often. So that's the video. That was my review of the Neutrogena clay cleanser mask and then the Neutrogena Hydro Boost face mask, hydrogel mask. Thank you Influenster and thank you Neutrogena for sending me these free products. If you want to learn more about Influenster or sign up, I'll leave a link in the description bar and I'll see you in my next video.